Introducing the new podcast from Dramatic Health, Game Changers in Medicine, the stories of medical heroes and heroines who forever changed the way medicine is practiced. Forget genius. Many significant advances in medicine owe a lot to coincidence and plain dumb luck. As you're about to hear, some of the most important achievements in healthcare were the result of fortuitous accidents that were followed by scientific rigor. But serendipity and science alone don't improve health and healthcare. It took curious, creative, and doggedly determined scientists and clinicians to bring these game-changing medical discoveries to patients' bedsides, and in the process, benefit all mankind. A seemingly insignificant finding by one researcher leads to a breakthrough discovery by another. A scientist who chooses to study a contaminant in its culture rather than tossing it out stumbles upon something entirely new. A physician methodically pursuing the answer to a medical conundrum over many years suddenly has a eureka moment. These are their stories. This is Game Changers in Medicine. I'm Dr. Ruben Pillay, medical futurist and your host. Join me as each month I pull back the curtain on some of medical science's greatest discovery. Visit GameChangersInMedicine.com for details or find us wherever you get your podcasts. Game Changers in Medicine from Dramatic Health.